Hello my friends and welcome to Sethioz Reviews. I have an Aukey 12-band wireless router in here. This box has been already smushed open, so let's smush it a little bit more. What is this then? What the heck happened? That's how you open the box. Very important to know. Yes. Aukey sticker! I like these stickers, they are cool. It's like Aukey! This is how the key comes out, and then you can stick it in the hole. Yes, good. Right. Don't need that. Don't need this, don't need this. I mean, I do need this. What do you mean don't need this? What I'm talking about. Look at this. It doesn't have detachable antennas. This is kind of what I don't like, but I mean, okay, that's fine. So what is this? That's the WAN board, LAN board, WPS, power, reset. Ooh, nice air venting. Look at that. It's a really nice design, guys. Look at that. It's very flat, nice design, dual band. So it's 5 and 4 gigahertz, a short cable. So God damn it! What is going on here? Right, this is the. I don't know why I'm even doing that. That's just an Ethernet cable, very lightweight, I have to say. That is the power adapter. It has a lot of lights on it. These are the Ethernet ports 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know what this is. This looks like some cowboy hat on it. We have wireless. That is the 5 gigahertz, 2.4 gigahertz, and the power. Very simple. I don't know what the cowboy hat thing is. I really don't. But it's pretty cool design. I like this flat design. The range should be really good on this one. So I'm going to try to give this a go, connect it up and show you the interface. I mean, there is nothing more to it to show the product itself. So you just connect this into the power plug and then you plug this in here. Where does it go? Like here. Right. And then you just have to go to the interface. I'm going to explain this later, all this stuff. What are the admin passwords and how to set this up. But here you have the looks. So let's take a look at the router interface. It's running at 168, whoops, and .1. The default is admin as it shows, so we put in admin, log in. I've already checked into it. It has really good, you know, features and stuff, but unfortunately the speed is very bad. Right. First of all, I like this in here. It shows how much speed goes through. So for example, if we open another page in here, I'm gonna just put it on the side and let's say we load YouTube, then it should go up in here. And if you're gonna start watching a video, another review video in here, I have the sound off. See, it shows you how fast it downloads, which is pretty cool. I really like this feature. It's really good. It's awesome. Right, gonna stop the video, close this one. It shows how many connected devices you have. Right now the way it's connected is that this router in here is connected to the modem, so it's a wired connection. And we can just click in here, go WAN setup. We can set up the IPs if you want. I had a static IP, but you can change it to DHCP. All you have to do is simply connect the WAN port to your modem's LAN port, and that's all you need to do. It will automatically connect if it's on the DHCP mode. You can also use the PPOE, which is the account and password. A lot of internet providers are using this nowadays. Also you can use the static IP, which I'm using, and you can use a repeater. Whoops, now I did something. Never mind. Well, you can use the repeater option if you want. I'm not gonna change any of the settings. You can also clone the MAC address, which is really useful, I have to say, because some of the internet providers, they give the internet based on the MAC address, so you can clone the MAC address if you want to like swap it out with your own router. So that's a good option, you know. Right, LAN settings, well, that's just IP and stuff. That's the IP. I think you can change it, but I'm not gonna mess around with it. I think you can change it to whatever you want in here. I mean, these two you obviously can't because it's a local IP and stuff. Well, if you don't know networking, then you need to look it up. This is not a networking tutorial, so I'm not gonna go into details. 2 GHz, I turned it off, but 5 GHz, we can change all the signal, stuff like that. I'm not sure what the Wi-Fi time setting is. Oh, okay, so you can set it if it's like online or offline. That's actually pretty cool. It's like, parent control. If you don't want your kids like using the internet, after some certain time, then you can just turn it off. That's pretty good. We have terminal control, which means you can limit the speed. This is also really freaking cute thing to have. And you can also turn the internet access off if you don't want it. I absolutely like this thing. This is really interesting. This is like, more for managing, because the speed, like I said, the speed is not good on this one. I can actually show you. Let's go to a speed test and show you the speed. I've tried it over wired and over the wireless, and it's always the same. So unfortunately, the speed is bad. But let's do the test and show you how bad it is. But it's slow. Yep, that's all it goes, guys. And this line is 300 megabits, so it's slow. It's about 12 times slower than it should be. And upload, well, it's gonna be obviously maximum, because upload is only 20 megabits, I believe. Yeah, it's a bit jumpy, but that's the internet provider. Yeah, it goes to 20, see. But yeah, I haven't gotten it over 20, 25, 26. I tried over the wired connection and I got 50. So unfortunately the speed is bad. Right, but let's move on. We have map porting in here. Wait, what? Port mapping? Right, you can add the ports in here, forward the ports. It's very simple. Nothing, nothing difficult to it. Administrator, we can change the password, time zone, we can turn this off if you want, you can reboot, firmware upgrade. Unfortunately I don't think it has upgrade, but yeah. And we have system log, and that's all there is. Very simple router, it's very fast, that's what I like. See, it's like almost instant. The features on this router are really good, but the speed is really bad, so I don't really know what to say. I mean, it's okay if you want to manage your network, but if you actually want to, use it for like streaming, uploading videos, stuff like this, then it's gonna, limit your speed. That is, of course, if you have a faster internet than 25 megabits per second, so. But yeah, here you have the preview of this Aukey router, and I will see you next time.